Umbuso uthi ofakazi abazimisele ngokuvela ngaphambi kwenkantolo ukuze bezokwethula ubufakazi kuleli cala.
We are provisionally withdrawing all charges against all the accused.
Lesi senzo sishiye ijaji liphoxekile. Umbuso uthi ofakazi abathathu abamqoka abatholakali.
The NPA is going to make sure that we engage with those witnesses in order to make sure that they come to court and testify. So at this stage, charges are provisionally withdrawn, not acquitted.
Abomndeni wakwaGade ne-EFF bathi lesinqumo siyadumaza.
We are all disappointed because as a family and as an organization, we are looking for closure.
Abasolo abathathu bangaphandle emva kokusulwa kwamacala inkantolo, kepha uResi Kune ugcinwe esitokisini ngenxa yelinye icala lokubulala.